I might be doing a rescue here in a second. There's 7 people from this charter over here getting in this dinghy. And there's no way this dinghy is rated for 7 people. And they're going right into a storm. My God. That thing's right at the water line. I am really, really scared for them. I said a prayer, but man. 7 people. 7 adults. In a dinghy that's, oh my God. Guys, please go back. They're going for it. God be with them. Oh man. No life jackets. 7 older adults. 60s. Oh man. Oh man, just make 2 trips, guys. Oh Lord. Boy, that is scary to watch. Seriously praying for these guys. Man, they're really taking on water. They're having issues. I don't know if they're going to make it. This is hard to watch. Oh, Lord. I'll grab what life jackets I can, put them in my dinghy, launch my dinghy, try to go rescue them, but man, it's going to take me a few minutes. I cannot believe they're doing this in these conditions. Really under any conditions, but man. Okay, they made it. They just beached the catamaran, but they paused alongside another boat for a few minutes. I think one person may have gotten off. They're gonna go back and shuttle, but wow. That was no life jackets, right at the water line, right into a storm. Man.